Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. So today we'll be covering what is basically linear equation, or why we do need to learn about linear equation. Yeah. So in our daily life, sometimes we have encountered certain mathematical simply linear equation to solve it, or even simultaneous equation. So let's take a look at question 1. James has an unknown amount of money. So in this case, you can use X to depict the amount of money that he has. He uses $30 to buy some notebooks, and he still has a remaining of $50. Find out the amount that he has initially. The knowledge that we know for linear equation, we can form a simple equation using an X minus 30, since he's using $30, with the remaining of $50. So this is actually a simple illustration of how we can use linear equation to solve a day-to-day life questions. I'm not going to move on to find out the answers. Basically, just a brief introduction about linear equation and simultaneous equation. 5 pencils and the book is $9. So in this case, we will have pencils as your X, Y as the book. Okay, so you can have let X and Y be the total price of a pencil and the book. So with that, we'll look at how we can form equation. The total price of 5 pencils, which is 5x, plus a Y, a book, equals to $9. The next sentence, the price of 5 pencils is the same as the price of 2 books, 2y. So this will form another equation. I'll cover simultaneous equation in the near future, but now let's take a look of how we can use linear equation x, which is the variable, using the addition and also the subtraction examples. Okay, so question 1, x plus 10 equals 14. So we are looking at x plus 10. So with this x plus 10, we can actually shift it to the other side. Okay, so you have x equals to 14 minus 10. So whenever you switch sides, the sign will change from positive to negative, or from negative to positive. So here you have 14 minus 10, which is 4. Alternatively, you can look at these questions as such, where you would like to eliminate the number 10 on the left side. So what you can do is you can add a negative 10 or minus 10, as well as on the right side, negative 10. Plus 10 minus 10, you get a 0, which ultimately you get an x. Also possible. We'll look at question 2. 50 minus x equals to 6x. So the ultimate goal is to move this negative x to the other side. Okay, to the other side. Okay, when you move it, you will have to switch the sign negative to positive. 50. 6x plus x, you get 7x equals to 50. And with that, 50 over 7. That's the final answer for your x. So again, alternatively, we can do as such where we add plus x on both sides to eliminate the x. Let's see how we can do this. 50 minus x. And because you want to eliminate x on your left side, 6x plus x. So you can see that when you add an x, additional x, you get a 0x. Okay, that leaves you only with a 50 here. So with that, you get the same answers as well. Now let's take a look at this slightly complicated question. 7x minus 16 equals 6x plus 2. Saya buat video sekarang untuk memisahkan basic sikit. Okay, we move on to question number 3. 7x minus 16 equals to 6x plus 2. Okay, here there is actually, on both sides, you have the x, and the number. So what you can do is you can try to group the x together. X equals to 2 plus 16. Essentially, you are moving 6x to the left side with the addition of negative. And your negative 16, you move to the other side, right side, and you switch the sign into a positive. So you'll be getting 18 equals to x. Question 4. Negative 4x minus 5 equals to 10 minus 5x. So what you can do now is you together, which we can move negative 5x to your left side by this changing of the sign become plus 5x equals to 10 plus 5. Okay, so negative becomes positive, negative becomes positive. So you'll be getting 15, and hence you have the x equals to 15. All right, I have additional 2 questions here for you all to do. So 10x plus 9. So try this question, see whether you can get negative 9 as your answer. 2x minus 9 equals to x plus 6. Answer is 15. Take some time to do these questions, and I'll see you again.